Hello, all Dalton High School parents and students. My name is Stephanie Hungerpiller, and it is my absolute honor and privilege to serve as principal of Dalton High School. Because of our current situation with COVID-19, we decided that we would create a virtual open house for students and parents this year. It is our hope that conditions will continue to improve so that we will be able to have other opportunities for parents to come visit our school and learn more about the great work their students are doing later in the year. This virtual open house is designed to share important information with you about our school and our programs of study, including all academic courses, fine arts programs, advanced programs, and career tech pathways. It is our hope that you find this information useful as you support your student in their learning and progression through high school. I would like to first take this opportunity to introduce our administrative team. Our team of administrators is partnered with a guidance counselor to serve students who are grouped alphabetically by last names. First, we have Jessica Ashlock, who works with science, math, English language learners, and ESS, and she is grouped with students by the last name of A through E with Tina Sibilia. Next, we have Jeff McKinney. He is our athletic director and works with our PE department. He also works with students last name F through L and is partnered with our counselor, Julie Gallman. Our next assistant principal is Chris Anderson. He works with the Language Arts Department and Social Studies Department and serves as AP coordinator. He is partnered with Miss D. Curtis, and they serve students last name M through Q. Missy McKinney is another assistant principal who works with our Career Tech Department, Fine Arts Department, and World Language Department. She is partnered with Jay Ashlock, and they serve all students last name R through Z. We also have Matt Medarius with us this year. He is the new principal of the Dalton Academy, which will be opening in the fall of 2021, and you'll be hearing lots more information about that new school, and Mr. Medeiros is housed with us here at Dalton High School this year. Jay Ashlock, who is one of our counselors, also serves as dual enrollment coordinator. We have Alex Mora, who is our post-secondary transition counselor, and he works with our students on college applications. He coordinates college visits. He coordinates our Apply to College Day and helps students apply for financial aid as they prepare to go to college. This year, we are excited to have 2 new instructional coaches who are working with our teachers to find strategies and digital tools to support the learning of our students, who are both virtual and face-to-face this year. Matt Facey, he works with science and social studies, and Elizabeth Cox, and she works with math. Evelise Peters is our school social worker, and she does a fantastic job of working with our students. And we also have Kelly Spinetta, who is our family engagement coordinator. She helps us in translating all of our materials that are communicated to parents, and she also hosts workshops throughout the year to support parents in helping their teenagers be successful while they're in high school. So we are thankful for all of these folks who serve our school. All of our teachers have posted a video to introduce themselves and share information about their classes. Please reach out to any of our teachers if you have any questions or concerns. Our staff is awesome and work very hard to provide quality educational experiences for our students. We hope that you find all the videos that we have made for Open House useful, and that our virtual open house is easy to navigate, and that you are able to find all the information you're looking for. If there is something here that you have a question about that is not posted in our virtual open house, please call the school. We thank you so much for your support and entrusting your child with us. It is an honor for all of us to serve our students, their families, and the Dalton community. Thank you.